Hello guys, welcome back to Son of Thins. But for today's video, here going to show you how to fix Roomba spinning in circles. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Roomba here and it's just spinning in circles and not working properly, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to check and you need to do here. So first thing that you may want to do is you want to check if your wheels are actually dirty or jammed. Now sometimes the issue is with the actual wheels here, so in this area here. So if one is stuck or has built-in dirt in it, it can cause a Roomba to just favor one side and spin around. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to power off your Roomba here and flip it over and move the side brush here and the bottom cover. Now you want to carefully take out the wheel modules. They usually pop out pretty easily here, and clean the wheels with warm soapy water and a soft brush. Now rinse and let them dry completely before putting everything back together, and this should actually help you get your Roomba moving in a straight line again. Now also, you may want to look at or check your sensors here. Now think of your Roomba sensors like its eyes. Now if they're dirty or it can't see where it's going, then when that actually happens, it might just spin in circles trying to figure things out. Now, what you need to do, again, you want to turn off your Roomba and flip it over. Look for a very small plastic window on the underside here, and those are your sensors. Now, in this case, it's going to be this one. So these are your sensors. So it depends on your model. But yeah, so you want to use a soft microfiber cloth to gently clean them. No water or cleaner needed. Just a dry wipe usually does the trick here. And once you're done, turn it back on and see if that actually helps a lot. And finally, the issue might be a bad room mopping. Now, if the hardware is clean and it's still spinning in circles, it might be lost, like literally here. Now, a bad or incomplete map can cause your Roomba to get stuck in a loop. So, what you need to do is you want to make sure your Roomba is fully charged. Open the iRobot Home app on your phone and tap the map icon and hit the plus button to start a new map. Now remove any clutter or obstacles from the floor and let the Roomba do a full mopping run. Now after it's done, review and edit the map in the app if needed, then run tests to make sure it works properly. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.